Hi there, are you looking for an easy, no-bake recipe that is vegan, paleo, and even keto friendly? Let me show you how. Hi everybody, I'm Carrie and welcome back to my channel, Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy gluten-free and dairy-free recipes. And today we're making a no-bake edible cookie dough. It's gonna be so fun. It's perfect for summer because you don't have to turn on the oven. It's a safe cookie dough. So let me show you the ingredients. We're gonna be using as the base of our edible cookie dough almond flour, which is a really great grain-free and gluten-free flour. So the almond flour will be the base of the edible cookie dough, and it will be safe to eat without being baked. The next ingredient will be our coconut oil, and I'm actually gonna warm it just a little bit so it will be liquefied, and then we'll use that to blend into the almond flour. We're next gonna use just a pinch of sea salt and then some vanilla extract. Then we will be using chocolate chips because any good cookie dough has chocolate chips, of course. For a keto edible cookie dough recipe, you'll need to find chocolate chips that have no sugar added. And there's a brand called Lily's that you can look for in the baking section of your grocery store. And that brand, I believe they use stevia to sweeten.
Try again.
Now the brand that I'm using for our vegan and paleo recipe is called Pasha. And I got these at Vitacost, which is one of my favorite online retailers. And this brand is the only ingredients are organic sugar, organic cocoa mass, organic cocoa butter, and organic vanilla. So these wouldn't be keto friendly, but they're definitely paleo and vegan. So they're perfect for this recipe. And then the last ingredient would be maple syrup, which of course is vegan and paleo. And for your keto adoption for this recipe, you would need to use the equivalent of a keto-friendly liquid sweetener. Okay, so now we've gone over all our ingredients and let's put together the recipe. We have the almond flour. We have the coconut oil that we just warmed a little bit. We have our maple syrup. Our vanilla. Our salt, and our chocolate chips. Now you can see this is a little bit liquidy, and so what we'll need to do is put it into the refrigerator and let it firm up a little bit. So I have a batch that I made earlier today and I put in the refrigerator so you can see how it firms up. And of course, I have to take a bite so I can tell you how yummy it is. It tastes just like cookie dough, but it's safe to eat, and I think you're really gonna love this recipe. And if you are looking for other no-bake healthy recipes, I will link to my vegan fudgesicle recipe up here. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.